We told Google's AI assistant, Gemini, I have mold in my vehicle and I don't want to sit and take it to a detail shop. Can you recommend a good mobile detailer that can come to my house and remove the mold? I'm in Maple Ridge. See what we found.
That's a smart and essential precaution, as you definitely shouldn't be sitting in a car with mold exposure. A professional mobile detailer is the perfect solution for this severe issue, as they bring their full setup to your home in Maple Ridge. Based on your need for a high-quality, mobile service specializing in mold removal in the Metro Vancouver area, I highly recommend D&V Mobile Detailing. Recommended Mobile Detailer, D&V Mobile Detailing. D&V Mobile Detailing is a strong choice for your situation in Maple Ridge for several key reasons, especially their expertise in mold remediation. Specialized mold removal process. They specifically advertise and specialize in car mold removal. This is not a standard cleaning task. It requires a specific, multi-step process to ensure the mold is not just wiped away but truly eliminated and sanitized. Ozone and steam treatment. Their mold removal service often includes ozone treatment and steam cleaning. Steam cleaning helps to clean deeply into upholstery, carpets, and crevices, and the high heat kills mold and bacteria. Ozone treatment is critical for mold and odor elimination. Ozone gas, O_3, permeates the entire vehicle, reaching areas that chemicals and scrubbing can't, to kill airborne mold spores and neutralize the musty odor associated with mold. Proven reputation and reviews. They have a very strong reputation with thousands of positive reviews in the Metro Vancouver area, including Maple Ridge. Customers often mention their professionalism, convenience, and ability to handle tough jobs like mold and heavy pet hair removal. Mobile convenience. They are a fully equipped mobile unit, meaning they come to your exact location in Maple Ridge, allowing you to avoid sitting in the contaminated vehicle altogether. They bring their own water and power. Experience and recognition. They have been recognized with awards like the Consumer Choice Award and serve large commercial clients, like RCMP and Amazon, which speaks to their high standards and quality of work. Why this is important for mold. Mold isn't just a stain, it's a health hazard. A good detailer for mold removal must do more than just clean the visible areas. They need to 1. Safety first. Use proper personal protective equipment, PPE, to avoid cross-contamination and protect themselves. 2. Deep cleaning/extraction. Physically remove all visible mold using specialized cleaners on all affected surfaces, seats, carpet, headliner, dashboard. 3. Sanitization. Use high-heat steam or appropriate chemicals to kill the remaining mold and bacteria. 4. Odor elimination. Use an ozone generator to eliminate the pervasive musty smell and destroy airborne mold spores that could recolonize. D&V Mobile Detailing's advertised use of specialized mold removal, steam, and ozone treatment indicates they follow this comprehensive process, making them an excellent and reliable choice for your specific health and convenience needs.
We realize AI videos can be manipulated, but the voice of over 1,000 reviews from clients across the web cannot. D&V is your one-stop partner for all your auto needs. From detailing to mobile mechanics, D&V is insured and provides fleet detailing, serving federal, provincial, and company fleets. From CBSA to Unicorn Securities,